Now moving on to the third question, it says integral of cos 2x into cos 4x into cos 6x times dx. Here we have the product of cos into cos into cos. So what we will do is, we will take these two cos products into consideration, combine and write them as sum of two cos functions. Observe. So basically when you have cos A into cos B, it is obtained, basically when you have 2 cos A cos B, it is obtained as a result of cos of A plus B plus cos of A minus B, right. So having said this, first thing that you need to do is multiply and divide it with 2, so that the whole question is converted as half of integral of 2 cos 6x cos 4x into cos 2x dx. I hope you are able to understand. As I suggested, it is always advisable that you start writing the angles in the decreasing order, right. So once you do this, you will have half of integral of, right, 2 cos 6x and cos 4x. How can you write it as? It can be written as cos of A plus B plus cos of A minus B. So it is going to be cos of A plus B is 10x plus cos of A minus B will be 2x, and you have a cos 2x outside, right. Now again, if you see, this cos 2x can be multiplied with the two cos functions that you have inside. So how will it get converted? Half into integral of cos 10x into cos 2x plus cos 2x into cos 2x will give you cos square 2x, right. Now this can be written as half of, again what I need to do here is multiply and divide it with 2, so that I have 2 cos 10x into cos 2x. Again, how can I write it as? So remember, there is a 2 in the denominator, so half of cos of, what can I write it as? 10x plus 2x, so cos 12x plus cos of 10x minus 2x, which is going to give me cos 8x, right, plus what can I write this cos square 2x as? Cos square 2x can be written as 1 plus cos 2 of 2x the whole divided by 2. So what is the reason for it? Because cos square x is 1 plus cos 2x the whole divided by 2. So having this in the place, 1 by 2 and 1 by 2 are common in both the terms that are present. So I can take half outside. So 1 by 2 if I take out, 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 will be 1 by 4 into integral of, what is that I am going to have? Integral of, dx. So what is that I am going to have here? I will have integral of cos 12x dx plus integral of cos 8x dx plus integral of 1 dx plus integral of cos 4x dx. Clear with this? So I hope you understood that after taking the half outside, it is only the numerator that is going to exist, right. So it is going to have 1 by 4 into, what is the integral of cos 12x? It is sin 12x divided by 12 plus, what is the integral of cos 8x? It is sin 8x divided by 8 plus, what is the integral of dx? It is x plus, what is the integral of cos 4x? It is going to be sin 4x the whole divided by 4, and you have a plus c that is added. So this would be the final answer.